I want to explain what non reactivity is, where you get the power from, and what are the caveats to watch out for. Non reactivity is when you feel something very strongly. Generally speaking, your habitual reactions or way of behaving will show up, but non reactivity is to delay those reactions. Watch, just observe what's going on with your mind and body. The power of non reactivity comes because when you're observing it, that may give you certain insights or rational thinking about how to react effectively or what not to do. And that's when you gain more control over where you want your life to go. That's the power. Now, there are two caveats. One is you may be in a very highly charged emotional situation. You may not be able to practice non reactivity, but that's okay. That's fair. The time to practice is in small situations. Practice mindfulness, cultivate the skill, and then you can use it even in very highly charged situations. If you cannot, after that situation, allow yourself to observe. That may give you insights into how to reverse back and correct whatever you have gone through. And the second caveat is there are life and death situations, emergency situations, when you need to react fast. So, to cultivate the wisdom, when to react fast and when to practice non-reactivity is very important. Practice mindfulness skills that will give you this wisdom.